y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz and I'm back with another video. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So y'all, today I have the cutest bags ever. Okay, I have been looking at these bags for a while. Shout out to my coworker for putting me on because she always buying stuff, so it make me want to buy stuff. So anyway, when I seen these bags, I was like, oh my god, they were going viral on TikTok, and I was just like, I gotta have one of these bags. I didn't want the exact bag that was going viral on TikTok because I was like, that's not really gonna go with a lot of things that I wear personally, and it wasn't really my style. But I decided to go on there and get a different bag. So this is the first bag that I did get. As you can see, I have been wearing the heck out of this bag because you can see on the stitching right here, I have been kind of like turning it blue with my blue jeans because I've been wearing it like this. But y'all, it's so cute. I love this bag. I think it's cute. It has like the denim distressing all over the bag. As you can see, it does have the Wrangler logo right here on the front. I thought it was super cute because I felt like it could go with a lot of things, and then the brown, like it wouldn't get dirty or anything like that. But I thought this bag was the best. You can carry it like this, or it also comes with a strap, which I really love the strap. But then when I realized the strap was like, I thought it was denim, but as you can see, it's not denim, y'all. I don't know what that is. It's like a pattern, but it's like way lighter than what the bag is. So that's the only thing that I really didn't like about this bag. But as you can see, the strap has the Wrangler logo on here, y'all, which I think is cute. But you can easily take this strap off and just make it a handbag, or you can put it around you to make it a crossbody, which is super cute, y'all. So y'all know it didn't just end there. They do have different packages where you can buy a set. You can get this small little bag, and you can get a tote bag, and I think it's like $100 or something like that. But y'all, I do have a code, so if you do put in Jazz20, you will get 20% off of your order right now. So the bags are already on sale, so if you use that code, it's gonna be less than $40. So yeah, go ahead and copy one now. So once they did, like at first they only had this, some more different patterns. After a while, I guess after it really got popular, they decided to release other ones. So I did purchase other ones, y'all. So yeah, y'all know me. Once I get it in one color, guess what? I gotta get it in another color. So this is how it comes packaged. It comes packaged in this bag, and it has Wrangler on the outside. Once you open it up, it does come in another little dust bag that does say Wrangler, which is cute, you know, if you don't want to get your bag dirty. But this is the other bag that I did get. This is the black color, which really, the straps are kind of black, the stitching is black, but the rest of the bag is like gray and white. And it does still have that Wrangler logo on the front, but as you can tell, on the back, it doesn't have any stitching on the back. It just has that Aztec print. And this one, I do like the strap because I feel like the strap goes with it a little bit more than what that other strap went with on the other bag. But it's so cute, y'all. Like, I've got this color because I feel like it would go with a lot more things than that other bag. And I was honestly just getting kind of tired of having that one color. So I was like, let me get this because it's different. I didn't get the set because I really don't need a bag that big. But as you can see, you can take the strap and rotate it so this part is on the other side. But I like mine in the front like this, and I just carry it like this. I think it's cute, and sometimes I just carry it like this on my arm. But I love this bag. It fits a lot of things in it. This is what it does look like on the inside. As you can see, it has Wrangler all over the inside. That's the pattern. It does have the logo right there as well, and it does have a zipper compartment right here, and then the bag does also zip up so you can't see what's inside the bag. And that's what I love, especially around this time of year. You want something that's gonna zip up so can't nobody just stick their hand in your bag or see what's in your bag. I'm a real big stickler of that. Like, I don't like people looking at my bag because you do have some nosy folks that like to look down over in your bag and see what's in your bag. So with that, you don't have to worry about that. So the next bag that I did get, it comes wrapped the same way. I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. take the dust bag off. But this is more of like a brown color. I think this one is called like a khaki color, I want to say. But this one stands out a little bit more if you're into like being noticed, okay? Because you're gonna get noticed with this bag. Because with the denim one, I received a lot of comments on that bag. But I have not wore this bag yet, but I do plan on wearing it. This is the strap that goes along with it, and you can't tell me this strap is so cute because it goes with it. Like, I don't know what they was doing with that denim bag, but the denim bag, the strap was not matching. They gonna have to come with another strap for that bag. So I always wear that strap. I never wore that strap with that bag, but this one, I'm most definitely gonna wear this strap with it. I just think it's so cute, and it's like such a vibe. Like, you can't tell me it's not a vibe. Like, it goes so cute with my skin tone as well. But it is made the same way as the other bags. All the other bags do have the same inside as well. As you can see, it's very big. It has enough room for you to carry a lot of things. Y'all gotta go out and cop these bags because they're so stinking cute. And I don't know how long they're gonna last because, like I said, they have been buying these bags like crazy, y'all. This has been like the trend of the year. I know a lot of people don't really like the patterns, but like I said, they do have other bags. They have other like simple, just plain bags that don't have patterns on them. They have regular, just black, brown, all types of colors, y'all. But I'm just like, I love this pattern. I think it's cute. And I don't have to worry about like another brand with this pattern. Like, it's just different. I like different things, y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this bag. Let me know in the comments down below, did y'all cop this bag? Is this something that you will wear, or is this something that you would not wear? Don't forget to use my code JAZZ20. It will be down in the description box as well if you forget, with the link, so you can go get you one, okay? So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to what? Comment.